Oh, hi everyone, welcome along to the blues lick of today. Today's one goes like this. This one's kind of like a country one, so you're bending up, 12 on the B, and then leave that bent up, but with your finger here, pluck that 12 on the high E. Then with your pick, re-pick that 12th fret which is already bent up. And then take your first finger, which is on the, now going to go on the 10th fret of the high E, but leave that 12th fret bent up. Alright, and then you're going to re-pick that 12th fret and that down so. Then pull it off, 12 to 10. 12 on the high E again. Then 12 on the B up. And then back to 10. So it's like a country kind of blues. That one sounds quite cool.